Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add an image into shape in Google Slides. So this is pretty simple. Click on your image, go right here and crop your image however you want. So let's say crop and just drag this like this. I will use this part of my image and then press enter. Move your image where you want it to be, and then simply go to crop again, but not this main crop. Next to this arrow, click on that and choose a shape. So I want a circular, so I will click on oval, and right now it is fitted to the shape perfectly. So this is how you do it quickly and easily. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.